All right, the last big development on the week is the debut of Reddit at the corner of Wall and Broad, an initial public offering that could make the social media concern still a money loser, worth about $6.5 billion, expected to be priced tomorrow and debut on Wall Street the very next day. Dick Grasso, very familiar with these type of big and highly anticipated offerings. Of course, the former chairman and CEO of the New York Stock Exchange, one of the best ones. Dick, what do you make of this and the appetite for this environment? Sometimes an offering just sort of comes at a unique time. This is one of them. Has a lot of warts and blemishes, but has a lot of anticipation. What do you think?
Great to be with you, Neil. And other than Reddit, a happy St. Joseph's Day.
Yeah.
I think Reddit is going to be a very important, call it milestone, for the rest of the year in terms of IPOs. Remember that the last time they raised money, it was at a valuation considerably higher than $6.5.
Right, like $10 billion.
I believe they valued it. Yeah, $10 billion was the number. So a lot of people will take pause if there's a first day pop, but it's a great get for the NYSE. It's obviously very excited in terms of the anticipated 5 times the oversubscription. But, you know, as you said a couple of times, it's not a money-making venture at this point, and investors are going to have to be careful. I think a lot of people will wait to see what happens after the pop, if in fact there's a considerable pop tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm remembering harkening back to Facebook when it debuted long before it was Meta, right? And it came, storming out the gate, more than $70 a share. It tumbled. It would be some time before it started really chugging along. Now, of course, it's soaring along. But my point is sometimes a reception can be very different down the road, right?
Well, Neil, if you remember, Facebook came at 38 and change, popped to 43 and then sold off.
Right.
In the ensuing year or so, down to about $20. Now, those who stuck with it now at 480, look pretty smart.
They do. They do.
Again, Facebook was able to turn that business model on its head. The concerns that everyone had in the IPO, Zuckerberg did a great job. And I should say, Neil, I'm a Facebook owner since day one. So
I get it. But there was volatile intraday trading back then. I was referring to that. But this might not be quite as volatile. High expectations for social media concerns, high expectations in this day and age of artificial intelligence and the key players, NVIDIA among them and all these others. But we're already seeing it's being really kind of tested to the max right now. Super microcomputer. That stock was getting hit hard after a huge 1,000% run up over the last year, and all because it might be selling a couple of million shares. I'm wondering whether we're poised for a hit here, whether it's justifiable or not, or that the price of admission to this brave new world.
Well, Neil, you and I are around long enough to know that trees don't grow to the moon, okay? And if you look at Supermicro or you look at NVIDIA, I mean, they've had runs that are unprecedented.
Right.
Supermicro's admission to the S&P, caused a sell-off, but people should look at the pre-run-up, the pre-admission. NVIDIA has been one of the incredible levitation stories of our time. But this is a very different time, Neil. AI is changing the whole world of technology, of consumerism. I think the jury is going to be out on Reddit for at least 3 to 6 months. You'll get a pop if, in fact, that's oversubscription, which is 5 to 1, I'm told at this point.
That's right.
But you have to step back and ask yourself a question. What will management do to make this a viable, call it cash flow positive model?
Yeah, it's all about making money. By the way, the most important question of all, you mentioned St. Joseph. Of course, that is a big, patron saint of all Italians. But do you think he resents always being second fiddle to St. Patrick?
I think he would look at it as St. Patrick was his junior partner. He came a few days before.
Right, got it. Understood.
Now, Neil, I don't see any Zeppeli on the set there. Have you already indulged?
I have, and I'm also completely smashed. So I'm enjoying it. I'm loving the day, and loving getting together with you again, my friend. Always good seeing you. We'll see how this sorts out.
Always great to be with you.
All right, thank you, my friend. Dick Grasso, the former New York Stock Exchange chairman and CEO. Good read on these things. You have a little bit of, frantic activity. It calms down. Again, frantic activity again, but you can't judge on the first day. I keep telling people get involved in IPOs, do not judge it by the first day. 9 times out of 10, that first day is wrong.